Hey everybody, this is Trading with Zach. Just wanted to shoot off a quick video to talk about market decks that I have been posting about the last few days. It's a tool I've been playing with for a little while now, and this is basically the dashboard for market decks. Market decks, in its most simple form, is the total sum of the daily deltas of all options flow from across the entire market, as you can see in the top part at the top. Positive decks will often, basically big green bars of decks will anticipate a big move up, and big red ones will anticipate a move down. Is this perfect? No. Options flow isn't perfect, but it is another tool that you can use to help predict the next day. So I found that Dex is better for predicting the market for the next day as opposed to the active day you're trading. So you can see that today we printed this small little green Dex, which to me basically says it's probably a little bit of indecision, maybe the beginnings of a reversal, as I said on my Twitter account. You can also see that we had a couple of big green days here, followed by a massive red down day, and then we continued to print more red Dex bars for 3 days following. And this bar here is this purple line is the SPY price overlaid on top. So as we get these big subsequent red Dex bars, you can see the overall market trended down. We got this green bar here, not particularly big though. We got that little relief bounce, and then on Friday we pushed back down. Today was pretty flat, more or less, so we ended up with a flat Dex. Nothing really helpful going into tomorrow, but you can see when you get these bigger Dex prints how it can help you stay in a trade longer. Let's just say you bought puts on this day, and then the following day you stayed in it, printed another red Dex, you can stay in it again, and again, and again, until you see it print a significant move in the other direction. And that's pretty much it. I'll probably do a follow-up video on this in the future, a little bit more advanced, but that's the quick and dirty basics of what I'm posting about when I talk about decks. And hope that was helpful. Take it easy, guys.